For functional testing of the foot and ankle, you're going to have your patient standing with feet hip distance apart relatively comfortably. You also want shoes and socks off so you can see most of the joint. You can first ask your patient to come into a knee squat. So just have them bend their knees and drop down. Here what you're looking for is equal dorsiflexion. Look at the crease lines in the front of the foot. And you can also go ahead and come back up and come down a couple more times. You're looking for just mild pronation as the foot moves into a little bit of a different position through this medial arch. In weight bearing, this is where you have pronation and supination, which are more functional movements instead of the plain inversion, eversion. So you're looking for how well they're maintaining that arch and if there's mobility within that midsection of the foot. You can also have the patient come into a tiptoe stance, so coming up on their toes. Here you should see, and go ahead and come back down, here you should see a slight increase in their arch as they come into mild supination, and you should see relative equal plantar flexion of both feet. Next, you can have the patient do a twist. So go ahead and just relax your arms down and just let your body twist from side to side. And here what you should see, now go ahead and pause on one side, you should see relative pronation on this foot with relative supination on the opposite foot. And so oftentimes if a patient has a stiff foot, you're going to see one foot not moving as it should as compared to the other side as you go through this twisting motion. You can also then have your patient stand on one leg. And what you should see is a relatively stable foot. You can watch how much are they moving through here. Are the toes starting to grip? This gives you a sense of the stability of the foot and how well it's able to support the weight of the body just on one foot. To further challenge your patient, you can have them try a squat in this position. And again, you should be able to see good motion through the ankle. Go ahead and come back up. And again, good stability of that arch without over collapsing, but slight movement into pronation.